Good evening, class, especially 7, 8, 9. Astronomy, the Earth in space. In some books, like class 6, it is Earth, Sun, and Moon. But in other classes, the Earth in space, the Sun, the Moon, and Earth, astronomy, etc. Part 2, continue. Question number 1, define the following terms with example. Asteroid, minor planet, Shishu Graha. An asteroid is a minor planet found in the surface between Mars and Jupiter. Example, Ceres, Vesta, Juno, and Pallas. We can write another example, Pall, Pallas. मार्स र जुपिटर, मङ्गल ग्रह र बृहस्पति ग्रहको बिचमा यसको जुन एस्टेरोइड बेल्ट छ त्यसको बिचमा त्यो सतह छ, यो सतह, त्यो सतहमा पाउने स्मल प्लानेट्स, माइनर प्लानेटलाई भनिन्छ एस्टेरोइड, शिशु ग्रह. कमेट, पुच्छ्रे तारा नेपाली. इट इज अ टेल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर which is made up of dust, ice, smoke and gases. When the comet goes nearer and nearer to the sun, the ice melts. And when ice melts, what happens? The solid becomes liquid and the liquid evaporates. The ice melts, evaporates, and smoke like structure is formed. And when the comet approaches nearer and nearer to the sun, we think a tail like, we see a very long tail like structure. जब यो कमेट पुच्छ्रे तारामा भएको डस्ट पार्टिकल, यसमा ग्यास, स्मोक, यो आइस मेल्ट हुन्छ, पग्लिन्छ, तब यसमा एक प्रकारको धुवा निस्किन्छ. जब कमेट अगाडि बढ्छ, न्युटनको थर्ड ल अनुसार कमेट गोज फरवर्ड एन्ड स्मोक कम्स ब्याकवर्ड. कमेट अगाडि बढ्ने क्रममा त्यो त्यसको फोर्सले गर्दा, एक्सन र रियाक्सन फोर्सले गर्दा त्यो ग्यास अथवा ग्यासको गुजुल्टो, त्यो स्मोक, धुवा चाहिँ पछाडि धकिन्छ अनि लामो लामो हुँदै जान्छ. त्यो फोर्सले गर्दा एक्सन रियाक्सन, न्युटन थर्ड ल. त्यसले गर्दा हामी पुच्छ्रे तारा भन्छौँ. एक्चुअली अ कमेट इज नट अ स्टार because it has no light of its own. Example, helicomet, Inke, temple turtle, shoemaker, washman, swashman. But the shoemaker Levi 9 was already finished. Bright half, Shukla Paksha. It is the period from new moon to full moon day when the sizes of the moon go on increasing. It lasts for about 15 days. Shukla Paksha. न्यू मुन अथवा औँसीदेखि पूर्णिमासम्मको 15 दिन जहाँ चन्द्रमाको आकारहरू बढ्दै बढ्दै गइरहेको हुन्छ. औँसीदेखि पूर्णिमासम्म चन्द्रमाको आकार बढ्दै जान्छ. यसलाई ब्राइट हाफ, शुक्ल पक्ष भनिन्छ. डार्क हाफ, कृष्ण पक्ष. It is the period from full moon to new moon day when the sizes of the moon go on decreasing. It also lasts for 15 days. Duration is, it lasts for 15 days. पूर्णिमादेखि औँसीसम्म चन्द्रमाको आकार घट्दै घट्दै गइरहेको हुन्छ, सानो सानो हुँदै गइरहेको हुन्छ. त्यसलाई डार्क हाफ अथवा कृष्ण पक्ष भनिन्छ. र न्यू मुन डेमा अथवा औँसीको दिनमा चन्द्रमा देखिँदैन. लुनार फेजेस अर फेजेस अफ द मुन, चन्द्रकला, चन्द्रमाको कलाहरू अथवा लुनार फेजेस अफ द मुन. द पिरियडिक चेन्जिङ मिन्स इन्क्रिज अर डिक्रिज इन साइज बढ्दै जाने घट्दै जाने. द पिरियडिक चेन्जेस इन द साइजेस अफ द मुन एज अब्जर्भ फ्रम द अर्थ आर कल्ड द लुनार फेजेस अर फेजेस अफ द मुन. फर इक्जाम्पल, फुल मुन पूर्णिमा, न्यू मुन औँसी, हाफ मुन आधा अर्धचन्द्र, क्रिसेन्ट मुन बालचन्द्र भेरी स्मल, गिभेस मुन मोर देन 50%. धेरै जसोदेखि अलिअलि मात्रै छेकिने हुन्छ. चन्द्रमाका कलाहरू, आकारहरू कहिले घट्ने कहिले बढ्ने घट्ने हुन्छ. त्यसलाई भन्छ लुनार फेजेस अर फेजेस अफ द मुन. Question number 2. Mention some advantages of artificial satellites. Actually, a satellite is a small object which revolves around a planet. There are two types of satellites, natural satellites and artificial satellites. Natural satellites made by nature like moon, Deimos, Phobos, and so many others. But artificial satellites are made by human beings for different purposes. Some advantages of the artificial satellites are as follows. But one thing, one important thing was that the first artificial satellite was made by Russia in 1957 AD. And in only 1960, America made another satellite. The artificial satellites are very important, very useful for the following reasons. To predict or forecast weather. मौसमको भविष्यवाणी गर्न धेरै काम लाग्छ artificial satellites. For telecommunication, TV, radio, etc. And for or to make skylab. The skylabs are made in space, which are very useful to explore, and another to explore outer space, means to find new heavenly objects in the future. Another for military purpose. This military purpose is also very important. Question number 2. Question number 3 now. Some differences. In lower classes and higher classes, some differences are also important. I am going to write down some differences. Question number 3. Some differences. A number, light year and astronomical unit. Difference. Light year, astronomical unit. Mean here light year is not the time, and astronomical unit is not like other measurement and unit. Light year, लाइटले 1 वर्षमा पार गरेको डिस्टेन्स 2. Astronomical unit, the distance between the sun and the earth. First definition, first point definition, second point their value. What is light year? 1 light year is the distance traveled by light in a year. Astronomical unit, 1 astronomical unit called AU is the average distance between the sun and the earth. What is the difference? What is the distance between the sun and the earth? What is the distance traveled by light in 1 year? Its value. Its value means 1 light year is about. You write down the word about. 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometer. Because light travels at the distance of 3 lakh kilometer per second, and the time taken is 8 minutes 20 seconds. 3 lakh kilometer per second into 500 seconds. And what is the value? Its value is about 15 crore. 15 crore kilometer or 1.5 into 10 to the power. यहाँबाट गर्ने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 kilometer. 15 crore kilometer or 150 million kilometer. Its value is 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometer. Actually 94 kharab 60 arab kilometer. That is the difference between lighter and astronomical unit. Another last for today is rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. Here in Nepali it is called paribhraman. It is called paribhraman. Nepali to variant. Now definition: rotation, daily motion, diurnal motion; revolution, yearly motion. It is the daily or diurnal, DIUR, diurnal motion or spinning. Fun rotation, spinning of the earth or a planet about its own axis. Axis भनेको एउटा यस्तो खालको यसरी घुम्ने यसरी. What is revolution? It is the annual or yearly motion of a planet or the earth around the sun about its own orbit. यो एक्सिसबाट एउटा स्ट्रेट लाइन जस्तो अर्बिट चाहिँ यसरी यो अर्बिट हो. यो सन हो. The planet revolves around the sun about its own orbit. यसरी सर्कुलर हुन्छ अथवा इलिप्टिकल. यो चाहिँ एक्सिस हुन्छ. And another point, rotation, it causes days and nights. दिन रात हुने काम चाहिँ रोटेसनले गर्दा हो. रोटेसन अफ द अर्थ अबाउट इट्स अराउन्ड द सन. रोटेसन अफ द अर्थ अबाउट इट्स ओन एक्सिस. फनी घुम्छ अनि डे र नाइट हुन्छ. समटाइम डे नाइट हुन्छ. What does it cause? What is the value? Its value is about 24 hours. Actual value, I am going to write down actual value. That is 23 hours 56 minutes 43.7 seconds. About, not exactly. For the sake of convenience, we write 24 hours. That means 23 hours 56 minutes 43.7 seconds. अर्थात् 23 घण्टा 56 मिनट 43.7 सेकेन्ड. यो चाहिँ ज्योतिष शास्त्र एस्ट्रोलोजी अनुसार. तर फर द सेक अफ कन्भिनियन्स हाम्रो सजिलोको लागि हिसाब गर्न सजिलोको लागि 24 आवर्स भन्छौँ. बट यो 24 आवर्स ठ्याक्कै चाहिँ होइन. 24 घण्टाको ठ्याक्कै दिन चाहिँ हुँदैन. 23 घण्टा 56 मिनट 43.7 सेकेन्ड जति हुन्छ. लगभग 44 सेकेन्ड जति भनौँ न. यसमा 3 मिनट समथिङ नियर अबाउट 3 point something मिनटको फरक पर्छ। त्यही चाहिँ धेरै समयपछि गएर लिप इयर हुने अथवा तिथि टुट्ने फुट्ने, कहिलेकाहीँ एकादशीबाट द्वादशी नभइकन त्रयोदशी हुन्छ, टुट्छ। कहिलेकाहीँ एकादशी फेरि दोहोरिएर आउँछ, कुनै दोहोरिने कुनै छुट्ने हुन्छ। यही कारण हो। अब रिभोल्युसन भ्यालु, इट्स भ्यालु इज about 365 whole 1/4 days and 365.25 days or 1/4 days. And after, in every 4 years there is a leap year, 366 days. It is called a leap year. A leap year is the year with 366 days. 366 दिनको जुन वर्ष हुन्छ त्यसलाई लिप इयर अथवा अधिक वर्ष भनिन्छ। It causes what? It causes the changes of seasons. Here I am going to write down the name of the season in Nepal. For example, spring, बसन्त ऋतु, समर, स्प्रिङ, समर भनेको हट भयो, रेनी सिजन पनि हुन्छ, समर, अटम, एयुटी, अटम, विन्टर, mainly spring, summer, autumn and winter. Other seasons are also there, but not necessary. Rotation, यहाँबाट light year, distance travel value 9.46 into 10 to the power 12. Distance between sun and earth value 15 crore kilometer. Rotation, daily motion, revolution, yearly motion. About spinning about its own axis, यहाँ axis लेख्ने, यसमा orbit लेख्नु पर्छ, orbit र axis, one difference. It causes days and nights. It causes change of season, like spring season, summer season, autumn season, winter season. And other seasons are also there, hemanta, varsha, but here rainy and post summer, pre summer or post winter. Winter को पछाडि, विन्टर सकेपछि शिशिर पछाडि हेमन्त आउँछ, बसन्त ऋतुपछि लगभग माघ फागुनको बेलामा। तर यहाँ चाहिँ अब स्प्रिङ, समर, अटम एन्ड विन्टर, 4 सिजन्स। भ्यालु अफ रोटेसन about 24 hours, about 365.25 days. Actually 23 hours 56 minutes 43.7 seconds. I have written this from another book. 365 whole 1/4 days. Value, it causes days and nights. It causes the changes of season. दिन रात बनाउने रोटेसन हो। स्पिनिङले गर्दा फनफनी घुम्नाले दिन रात हुन्छ। यो सूर्यको वरिपरि घुम्नाले के हुन्छ त, सिजन चेन्ज हुन्छ, मौसम परिवर्तन हुन्छ। समटाइम्स समर भनेको गर्मी, स्प्रिङ बसन्त ऋतु, समर गर्मी भयो, रेनी पनि हुन्छ यसमा, अटम शरद ऋतु, neither very cold nor very hot, AUTUMN, autumn, winter, चिसो। This was for today.